Off the coast of southern Thailand is Phang Nga Bay, known for its towering limestone cliffs and clear blue waters. The perfect destination for relaxation and adventure. So join us for our 5 days exploring paradise. From sea cave kayaking,
Let's go!
snorkeling, island hopping, and maybe losing our drone. We're here.
We made it to paradise.
While we wait for them to ready our rooms, we got drinks like Peter showed you, and this Thai starter. We've got some deep fried spring rolls, and these other ones, I don't even know what they are. We're gonna find out. We just got a room at Paradise Koh Yao, and it's really nice. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than we thought it was gonna be. It's got a pretty nice deck outside, pool, outdoor shower.
Ooh la la. Yeah.
Hopefully nobody looks.
Bigger than we thought it would be, like the pool and the room, everything. Look at this adorable setup they did for our honeymoon. We did have to pay for it, but
It's gonna be a shame when we just push it all off the bed so we can sleep later.
I know, right? Like, what do you do with all those flower petals now?
If you lay on top of it, it's just gonna make the sheets all red.
That's later's problem. For now, we're gonna go check out the rest of the property. Probably grab another drink.
Yes. There you go.
Cheers.
Yo. It's in a pineapple.
Today we've booked a cooking class with Mina's cooking class, which is on the island here, and we're waiting for a taxi right now to pick us up and take us there.
She's gonna teach us how to cook all the delicious Thai food.
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
We got to pick our own menu. I'm terrible at cooking, but I considered this an investment for him to learn how to make it so I can eat it whenever I want.
Oh joy.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Everything up together here. Oh my gosh. Good job. You cooked most of this while I watched. I chopped a couple things. So we just got done cooking. I mean, by we, I mean mostly Peter. I cut a few things, but here we have our pad thai, masaman curry, a deep fried fish with like a pepper and something sauce on it, and a glass noodle salad. I've already tried the masaman curry and it's very good. I'm very excited to try all of this. Even though we're totally stuffed, now we got our coconut custard and sticky rice dessert, and it's amazing. It might be my favorite. Cheers!
So that cooking class, and it was amazing. The food was so good.
It was.
It's one thing that I've been wanting to do when we travel is every time we go someplace, there's some food that I really enjoy from that place. I want to learn how to make it. Now I know how to make Thai food.
Yeah.
The best part, she gave us a fat cookbook of all of her recipes. Thanks, Mina.
Thanks, Mina. Mina's cooking class, check it out. It's on Koh Yao Noi Island, and it was awesome. She was born and raised here, so it's super authentic. And after our cooking class, we had a short nap and then a spa, a 60-minute spa service, which was for the Thai massage. And let me tell you what, we had not had a Thai massage before. It wasn't what we were expecting, but it was awesome.
The internet calls it the lazy man's yoga.
Yeah, I could see why. They just push and pull and stretch, and it was awesome. Those 60 minutes went by real fast, so we booked another massage for Thursday.
So, key honeymoon point. If you don't have at least 4 massages,
One every other day.
You're not honeymooning correctly.
today we had booked a full-day private tour of the Phi Phi Islands. First stop, snorkeling. The Phi Phi Islands are known for their excellent snorkeling, with tons of thriving reefs and crystal clear waters. How's snorkeling?
It was amazing. Probably the best snorkeling that we've ever done.
I'd say definitely.
So many fish and so many weird fish and beautiful fish and colorful fish. Red fish, blue fish, one fish, two fish.
Chicken massaman curry.
Ooh.
Okay, and spring roll.
Yum.
Perfect. Yummy.
We stopped at this beach for lunch, which was awesome, but it is pretty busy, not gonna lie. Then again, it's like the first day that we've been here in a couple days. It's been really beautiful and sunny, so I'm sure that's why everyone's out to enjoy the Phi Phi Islands.
Next on the tour, Maya Bay, made famous from the movie The Beach, starring young Leonardo DiCaprio, known for its white sand and breathtaking view. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Beautiful.
We are at Maya Beach right now.
Leonardo DiCaprio was here once.
That means that we're basically best friends with him.
Yeah, that's what it means. It lived up to the hype. Thanks, Leo. After a quick rainstorm, we stopped at Monkey Bay. We didn't see any monkeys though, unless you count Peter.
Today we took a private boat tour to the Phi Phi Islands, which was amazing. We got picked up at like 9 in the morning and then I think finally dropped off around 4:30 p.m. So it was like full day tour. The weather, it was supposed to be storming. That was the forecast all week, and then it was sunny. It was beautiful, gorgeous day, and we had a pocket of rain that lasted like 30 minutes.
But even that rain that happened was still fun. It started raining, they tied us up, and we just stood there and watched the storm roll through.
It was gorgeous. Potentially one of my favorite days, if not my favorite day so far from our honeymoon. Like Six Senses is awesome though, not gonna lie. But this tour, just like, wow. I can't believe today. Today was incredible. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend. If you're in the area, Phi Phi Islands, there's so many islands that you can go visit. And so when we were planning, I was like, okay, well, which ones do we do? And I mean, Lenny wanted to do Phi Phi Islands because of Maya Beach.
And the snorkeling is excellent. You get the reefs there.
But I would say that the next tour has some big shoes to fill because this one was fantastic.
Epic. So after a very full day, we've worked up an appetite. And now...
First time all trip.
Yeah. Paradise Koh Yao has their Thai buffet tonight, so that's where we're headed. Cannot wait.
Eat my weight in Thai food.
We have been eating our weight in Thai food this entire trip. I regret nothing, and I'm gonna do that tonight too.
Yes.
Another day, another boat tour. This time on a traditional longtail boat exploring more of Phang Nga Bay's top things to do, including sea cave kayaking.
Wow.
We are going to the Bat Cave.
Let's go into the Bat Cave.
Somebody didn't want to paddle.
Well, you know, if I had a paddle, I'd drop it while I'm taking video, so this just makes sense. Oh yeah, you see all the bats, Peter? A little creepy, but mostly cool. and we were rewarded by a secluded lagoon, only accessible by Sea Cave. As always, I'll be sure to link the tours that we did or similar in the description below. Highly recommend some Bat Cave kayaking.
We made it through Bat Cave.
Without getting pooped on.
Well, we don't know that.
Oh. The tour continued with a stop at the famous James Bond Island, featured in the 1974 Bond movie. We stopped at this beautiful lagoon where our guides told us we could fly our drone. And just as we were getting some cool shots, it hit the cliff wall and got caught there. We tried to tell our guides to leave it. I've been wanting to buy a new one, but they were committed. And after free climbing the cliff wall like a badass, the captain got it down. Seriously wish I got that on video, but I was way too nervous to watch.
Slow and steady wins the race.
One dish we knew we had to try on our trip was the tom yum soup, which is kind of like a seafood soup. We got that tonight for our room service, and let me tell you what, it is pretty spicy. We've had a lot of stuff that was supposed to be spicy here and wasn't, but this has got a burn on already. Oh yeah, it's good though. I like it.
And about
Of course.
and wine glasses for ants.
Tiny.
So today we are kayaking again, but this time on our own. We just rented a kayak straight from the resort and we're headed out to sea.
Once again, I'm doing all the work.
Yep.
Somebody doesn't want to pay. We made it. I've crossed the horizon to find you.
We're back to the lagoon where we almost lost our drone because we figured why the heck not, let's try it again. Peter and I were saying it's like James Bond Island but better because it's secluded.
Nobody's here.
Yeah, we have this place pretty much to ourselves right now.
Just a local fishing.
Yeah, literally a guy fishing. This is very cool. The only sad part is we've been here about 5 seconds and the mosquitoes be crazy.
All my hard work for nothing.
No.
To us.
Whoa, that echoed. Happy honeymoon. We're about to see if this drone still works. Well, it's flying. That's a good sign. Back on the sea. I am. It's our last day here at Paradise, and yes, very sad. So we went kayaking this morning, which was amazing.
We worked up quite the appetite.
Me sitting there and taking pictures while Peter did all of the work.
Me paddling my heart out. So, we got Thai pizza.
Oh, that was anticlimactic. Here we go.
Thai pizza.
Tom yum pizza.
Tom yum pizza.
Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good.
They
I
smell
cannot
really
wait. Very good. Hot, warm, fresh pizza with a Thai flair. What more could you ask for? Today we had booked the candlelit dinner experience at Paradise, which is super cute, like honestly even cuter than I was expecting. I'm super excited.
For dessert, we decided to try something. Water chestnuts and coconut milk. Figured we'd try something new. It's not bad.
But is it
tasty.
Good? It is tasty, okay.
It's just really weird. It's a texture thing. Like it tastes like a sweet coconut, but then you've got like a crunchy water chestnut.
Sounds yummy, but I like water chestnuts. I don't know. It's our last day here at Paradise, which is so sad. But we had to check out of our room at noon. At 3, we get the boat back to Phuket Island. So that means we've got 3 more hours to sit here on Koh Yao Noi, enjoy the views, have a couple drinks, get some more of this delicious Thai food, and only get a little too hot in our airplane clothes.
So for the last meal, we had to go back for something that might have been my favorite, the pineapple fried rice. Oh, so good. And also we got yellow curry.
One of my favorites.
Also mine. It's delicious.
We
They're
love the
both so
curry.
good.
Oh, so good. Everything is just as amazing as we remember. The little spicy coconut flavor, so good. And even though I'm already full from our other favorites, I had to order this again. Our dessert from last night, which I found out is called Top Tim Grab. It sounds weird, like why is there water chestnuts in my dessert? But it's really good, trust me. And I'm gonna eat this all myself because Peter's too full and I don't care. I'm going to town. Cheers. The end of our honeymoon.
If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to watch the first part of our honeymoon in Thailand. 3 days of luxury at the 5-star Six Senses Resort, also on Koh Yao Noi. And make sure to subscribe for more epic island adventures coming soon.
I probably made a terrible face.
No, that's just your face normally.
Hot nuts. They're too hot for Lindy.
It's true.
Love me some hot nuts. The clash of insanity!
Yeah, cool. Hopefully we won't be attacked by pirates or anything like that. Or we'll become the pirates.